Good morning, children. Hope all of you are fine. In the previous class, we have started to study the lesson political parties. And you have learned what is political party and what are the components of political party. Can you recall the definition of political party? A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. Then, what are the components of political party? A political party has three components: leaders, active members, and followers. Next, we will analyze the functions of political parties. What are the functions of political party? First, political parties contest elections. One of the basic function of a political party is to contest elections. At first, political parties will select the candidates to contest in the elections. Who are candidates? Those who compete in the election are called candidates. Political parties select their candidates in different ways. In some countries such as the USA, members and supporters of a political party choose its candidates. While in other countries like India, top party leaders choose candidates to contest in the election. Second function, parties put forward different policies and programs. You have already studied in the 9th standard that ahead of election, each political parties put forward election manifesto. An election manifesto refers to a statement issued by a political party fighting an election that informs people about the policies and programs on a wide range of issues. So, election manifesto issued by political parties fighting an election that informs people about the policies and programs of that particular political party. If the voters like the policies and programs of political party, they vote for them. After coming to power, political parties implement these policies. So what is the second function of political parties? Political parties put forward different policies and programs. How did people come to know about the policies and programs of political parties? Through election manifesto. Election manifesto is a statement that contains the policies and programs of political parties. If the voters like the policies and programs of political party, they vote for them. After coming to power, political parties implement these policies. Next function. Parties play a decisive role in making laws for a country. How? Formally, laws are debated and discussed in the legislature. Which is the legislative body of India? Parliament. Who are the members of Parliament? Parliament consists the members of various political parties who won the election. After debate and discussion among these members, a law is passed in the legislature. But since most of the members belong to a party, they go by the direction of the party leadership, irrespective of their personal opinion. It means that party have one decision, that decision should be taken by the top leaders, and that decision should be recognized by each member of that party. There is no chance for the personal opinion. So, parties play a decisive role in making laws for the country. Next function. Political parties form and run governments. How do these political parties form and run governments? As you know, the political party which got majority vote will become the ruling party. The political party that runs the government is called ruling party. Then how do they run the government? Political parties at first recruit leaders to lead their party in various places, train them and make them ministers to run the government. These ministers try to fulfill the various needs of the people as they have promised before election and work for the betterment of the country. This is the way how the political parties form and run governments. Next, about the role of opposition. Here, those political parties that lose in the election play the role of opposition to the parties in power. It is the duty of opposition party to raise their voice on different views and criticizing government for its wrong policies or failures and correct the mistakes of the ruling government. Next, parties shape public opinion. How do political parties shape public opinion? Political parties have lakhs of members and activists spread all over the country. They raise and highlight issues or problems faced by the people. For example, generally, common people do not understand the exact loopholes and working of the existing government. So, it is the duty of the opposition parties to collect information and give clear picture to the people what is the present government is actually doing. So, it gives a very clear picture to the people about the present government, its policies and its loopholes. And people can clearly analyze the work of the existing government, and through this, political parties shape public opinion. Next, political parties provide people access to government machinery and welfare schemes implemented by the governments. Here, people can easily approach local party leader to find the solution of their problems than a government officer. That is why they feel very close to the political parties, and these political parties help the people access to government machinery and help them to utilize the benefits of the welfare schemes. So, what are the functions of political party? First, political parties conduct election. Second, they put forward different policies and programs. Third, political parties play a decisive role in making laws for the country. Next, political parties form and run governments. Next, those parties that lose in the election play the role of opposition. Next, political parties shape public opinion. Then, political party provide people access to government machinery and welfare schemes. Let me conclude today's session. I hope all of you have understood the content clearly. For your reference, I have uploaded the URL. Go through it. Notes are also attached along with this. Take it down. A test question paper is also there. Try it yourself. Thank you.